Hey guys, welcome back to the 101 Cool Magic Tricks with Glenn Singleton series. And today we are up to Fun with Magic. Now this is our last episode for the series, so I hope you do enjoy it. So the first trick is going to be, you can do what? So this is going to be it is the first trick on the book under Fun with Magic, so I'll just do it anyway. You're going to need 10 magazines or books with at least 27 pages, a calculator, and a table. To prepare for this trick, you're going to need to lay all of your magazines / books out on the table and pick the fourth one and analyze page 27 on it. Memorize key picture and keywords, so you can do one of each. Then gonna ask the audience member to pick a number between 1 and 100. Example 46. Tell them to add 28, multiply it by 6, subtract 3. You can write this down. You can rewind at any time you want. Divide 3. Subtract 3 more than the original number. If yours was 46, it would be 49. Add 8. Then you're going to subtract 1 less than the original number, which in this case it would be 45 because mine was 46. Multiply 7 and your answer will be 427 always. So you're going to turn your back to the audience. They don't know that you know this number. They do not know. So tell them to look at the first digit and of their number. Tell them to grab the magazine or book in that place. Okay, so in this case it's 4. And now you want your audience member to look at the final 2 digits and to go to that page and tell them to look at that number, to look in the book at that number or magazine, and tell them to analyze the page and don't tell you they're not to tell you what they see. Just tell them to keep looking at the page and tell them to send their thoughts to you. So whatever's on that page, they're going to send those thoughts to you, and then you can tell them what's on that page or what you've memorized at least. So that's a really cool trick. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe.